Hello, in front of me I've got KEYCHRON K8. In this video I'll show you how to set up Quick Start feature. Thanks to Quick Start function, you can assign any app or web page to buttons on your keyboard. In order to do it, let's go to Launcher KEYCHRON and Quick Start. Firstly, make sure to download KEYCHRON Assist and install it. Once it's installed, select Create. You can create Quick Start application or quickly open web page. Now select App, select Button and Submit. Now whenever you press the button, you will start the app. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.